وَإِنَّهُ لَعِلْمٌ لِلسَّاعَةِ فَلَا تَمْتَرُنَّ بِهَا وَاتَّبِعُونِ هَذَا صِرَاطٌ مُسْتَقِيمٌ.
Verily, He, that is Jesus, is a portent of the hour. So be in no doubt concerning it, and follow me. This is the straight way.
وَلَا يَصُدَّنَّكُمُ الشَّيْطَانُ إِنَّهُ لَكُمْ عَدُوٌّ مُبِينٌ.
Let not Satan hinder you from believing in the hour, for surely he is your open enemy.
وَلَمَّا جَاءَ عِيسَى بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ قَالَ قَدْ جِئْتُكُم بِالْحِكْمَةِ وَلِأُبَيِّنَ لَكُم بَعْضَ الَّذِي تَخْتَلِفُونَ فِيهِ فَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ وَأَطِيعُونِ.
When Jesus came with clear signs and said, I have brought wisdom to you that I may make plain to you some of the things you differ about. So fear Allah and follow me.
إِنَّ اللَّهَ هُوَ رَبِّي وَرَبُّكُمْ فَاعْبُدُوهُ هَذَا صِرَاطٌ مُسْتَقِيمٌ.
Allah is my Lord and your Lord. Therefore, serve Him. That is the straight way.
فاختلف الأحزاب من بينهم فويل للذين ظلموا من عذاب يوم أليم.
Then the factions fell apart among themselves. So woe to the wrongdoers from the chastisement of a grievous day.
هل ينظرون إلا الساعة أن تأتيهم بغتة وهم لا يشعرون.
Are they awaiting anything other than the last hour, that it should suddenly come upon them without their even perceiving it?
الأخلاء يومئذ بعضهم لبعض عدو إلا المتقين.
On that day, even bosom friends shall become enemies to one another, all except the God-fearing.
يا عباد لا خوف عليكم اليوم ولا أنتم تحزنون.
It will be said to them, my servants, today you have nothing to fear or regret.
الذين آمنوا بآياتنا وكانوا مسلمين.
You who believed in our signs and had surrendered yourselves to us.
ادخلوا الجنة أنتم وأزواجكم تحبرون.
Enter paradise joyfully, both you and your spouses.
يطاف عليهم بصحاف من ذهب وأكواب وفيها ما تشتهيه الأنفس وتلذ الأعين وأنتم فيها خالدون.
Platters and cups of gold shall be passed around them, and there shall be all that they might desire, and all that their eyes might delight in. They shall be told, herein shall you abide forever.
وتلك الجنة التي أورثتموها بما كنتم تعملون.
Such is the paradise that you shall inherit by virtue of your good deeds in the life of the world.
لكم فيها فاكهة كثيرة منها تأكلون.
have abundant fruits of which you will eat.
إن المجرمين في عذاب جهنم خالدون.
But the evildoers shall abide in the torment of hell.
لا يفتر عنهم وهم فيه مبلسون.
Never will their torment be lightened for them. They shall remain in utter despair.
وما ظلمناهم ولكن كانوا هم الظالمين.
It is not we who wronged them, rather it is they who wronged themselves.
ونادوا يا مالك ليقض علينا ربك قال إنكم ماكثون.
They shall call out, O Malik, let your Lord put an end to us. He will reply, you must stay on in it.
لقد جئناكم بالحق ولكن أكثركم للحق كارهون.
We brought you the truth, but to the truth most of you were averse.
أم أبرموا أمرا فإنا مبرمون.
Have they contrived some scheme? If so, we too will contrive a scheme.
أم يحسبون أننا لا نسمع سرهم ونجواهم بلى ورسلنا لديهم يكتبون.
Or do they think that we do not hear their secret talks and their whispering counsels? Yes, indeed, we do, and our messengers, that is angels, are with them writing.
قل إن كان للرحمن ولد فأنا أول العابدين.
Say, if the Merciful One had a son, I would have been the first one to worship him.
سبحان رب السماوات والأرض رب العرش عما يصفون.
Exalted be the Lord of the heavens and the earth, the Lord of the throne above what they attribute to him.
فذرهم يخوضوا ويلعبوا حتى يلاقوا يومهم الذي يوعدون.
So leave them alone to indulge in their vanities and to frolic about until they encounter that day of theirs against which they have been warned.
وهو الذي في السماء إله وفي الأرض إله وهو الحكيم العليم.
He it is who is God in the heavens and the earth. He is the most wise, the all-knowing.
وتبارك الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض وما بينهما وعنده علم الساعة وإليه ترجعون.
Blessed is he who has dominion over the heavens and the earth and all that is between them. With him is the knowledge of the hour, and to him you shall all be sent back.
ولا يملك الذين يدعون من دونه الشفاعة إلا من شهد بالحق وهم يعلمون.
Those whom they call upon instead of Allah have no power of intercession except such that testify to the truth based on knowledge.
وَلَئِن سَأَلْتَهُم مَّنْ خَلَقَهُمْ لَيَقُولُنَّ اللَّهُ فَأَنَّىٰ يُؤْفَكُونَ.
If you were to ask them who created them, they will surely say Allah. Whence are they then being led astray?
وقيله يا رب إن هؤلاء قوم لا يؤمنون.
We call to witness the cry of the messenger, O Lord, these are a people not wont to believe.
فاصفح عنهم وقل سلام فسوف يعلمون.
Indulge them, O Prophet, and say to them, Peace to you, for soon they shall come to know.